Hi everyone, it's Cheri from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, and today we're going to put this title together. But first I want to show you guys this beautiful So Silk pearlescent cardstock. It is called So Silk. If you look it up, you can just type in silk. It'll bring up all the colors. I am going to use the pink one called Beauty Pink. But back to the title. This is a Mother's Day title from Treasure Box Designs. It's listed under Title Mother's Day from treasureboxdesigns.com. I imported it into Cricut Design Space at a width of 10.0, and I let the height auto adjust. I will be using art glitter glue today. It's just in a different applicator, which is easier for me to hold. So my gray base is going to be in the color Stone by American Crafts. My white is just a plain white, again by American Crafts. I do use all textured cardstock, except on eyes or things I need it to be smooth for. Now this is where I'm going to show you guys just a little shortcut. When I tell everyone to work smarter, not harder, I do find a way. So you can either leave the word mother for just a slight shadow, or you can go right across straight from there to there and cut off the word mother. Do not waste your ink. You don't have to ink it because it's going to go underneath the really pretty, beautiful pink silk paper. And it's actually cardstock, not paper, sorry. So this is Sandable Sugar and Spice by American Crafts. You can just type in sugar and spice on 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop and it'll pull it up for you. Sandable just means you can take a nail file or sanding paper, run it across, and the lighter color is underneath the color that you're going to sand. So this is the color Grass, and the 2-leaf prong goes on the bottom. The single leaf goes on top of the 2-prong. And what I did is I have a little white tick mark. That way I can ensure that my flower will line up perfectly, because it is a little off. If you try to make it fit, it might not if it's not the way that the pattern cuts out for you, basically. All I did for the top of my flower is I took my finger dauber with the same color where I went around all of my edges with, and I stamped on top of it. That way it gave it just a little definition, so there was contrast and it didn't just fade in. But I didn't want to cut it out in the silk cardstock. I wanted it in regular cardstock. So this is what the finished flower looks like. And now we are going to add our mother title, and that's going to get glued right above the 2024. The apostrophe and the S also came with the same light pink background that you'll see. You don't need to ink those if you want it just to go on a little bit smoother, so you don't have to worry about the edges showing of the regular cardstock up underneath your silk paper. So we're going to go ahead and, after we get the mother down, we're going to glue our S and then our apostrophe. And this title goes together so quickly, honestly. There are several things you can use it for. I know I get asked, what do I use my pieces for? It really depends. It depends on my project. It can go on a layout. It can go on a card. You could even just attach it to the gift bag if you give it to your mom or her flower bouquet. It really depends on the piece and the occasion. After you glue your flower down, because it goes where the O would go, you're just going to glue on your letters that spell the word day. And it's going to go right along the side underneath the M, and we're pretty close to done. I will lift it up so you can see the shimmer, but it is so pretty. It's such a pretty paper, and I wanted to show you guys this because it's probably not shown enough for us to realize that there's a lot of potential. I'm going to use it for flowers also because I think it would be perfect. Any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching.